conference, national conference, where you are able to invite four distinguished guests, very eminent country, Dr. Gopalji Malabia is one of the nationally and internationally acclaimed personalities and consultant throughout India. Dr. Khandaram is an expert not only state politics, political situation of Pakistan, on all the activities, especially governmental aspects. Dr. H. Mukherjee is from the Department of Political Science. He does not deal with Indian politics as a background, but also he advised to come the international situation